Welcome from Dusseldorf 2020-2021 range of motor campervans, I should say, from Karmann Mobil. This is their Davis 592 vehicle. It's a, well, you see, it's a campervan. Costs 54,110. Fiat Ducato, 6 meters long, 205 centimeters wide, height of 261. How come that's possible? A Fiat Ducato is 599 centimeters. They found an extra centimeter to add to it. I wonder where it could be. Well, first thing I would say, the lighting is pretty good in here. It's 2-burner hob here, which is under that pasta, and it's got a nice molded sink with a domestic drain hole in it. So it looks rather quality with this lighting, and I like seeing the lighting in the furniture. I think that looks pretty good. At the back here, you probably sleep with your feet down here because there's less room. You've got plenty of storage as well for your stuff. Quite good, that. I don't know how much there is in there. And you can take, if you've got something particularly long, take that out. I really like that feature. Although it's better in a wardrobe. That's a certain way to have it in a non-wardrobe application. And oh, it's nice to be nice to be recognised. Oh, I've got a gentleman's off. Sorry, put me off my stride now. So anyway, you put your pillows up here, sleep there. Up here we've got space for more of your stuff. And note how this comes in 3 parts, meaning you can put it to one side and you can move this up and you get your bikes in there or something else. And if you're at night, maybe you could put your bikes outside and let them be stolen. Alternatively, you could chain them at the outside of your vehicle, which is what I did when I was traveling in a VW. Although it was smaller than this. Sensible sliding door in here, and it's a pretty large washroom for a van of this nature. Now, Karmann Mobil, when I started filming, I got the impression anyway that the Davis didn't look particularly flash. What I can say is that it's sort of upped its game by providing more within the van, and its positioning as a brand, I think is very good. I'm going to compare it. I'm going to come out the van actually, and I'll come back. Compare it to like the Forster brand, which is a cheaper brand, which is down here, for example. Same owner, same company, but they're meant to be sort of cheaper, but they're getting really good. You see there, from 34,000 euros for a 6-meter Fiat Ducato campervan. It says from, I mean, these things, from doesn't really mean much, because by the time you start adding things like delivery, it starts getting more expensive. Right, Davis 592. What we'll do is we'll have a look at some other vans of this nature, and here we have, that's a Dexter 625. Oh no, I'm going to do Davis only, sorry, I'm gone the wrong way. So we'll have a look at the Davis 600 camper van, which is here. And there you can see what's in there. You can actually join these up, I think, if you want. Yes, you can. You can join it down there. Oh, there's the bit to join it with. So that's longwise, sleep longwise, and the point of that is if you don't fit widthwise. Oh, and here's somebody trying out the shower, so we can sort of see how the shower comes out, unless the person's using the toilet. No, you can see that the shower opens like that, and so the shower's in the center, gives you a bigger washroom, and there you see you've got the open corridor. Great. I think that's a pretty decent bit of kit myself. Right, here's a Davis 630, which is 636 centimeters in length. This thing costs 54,330. Right, now what's clever about this is you've got this ramp and you've got this bed, and the bed will go up and down. And I'm a bit reticent to make it go up and down when there's other people around, but I'm going to press the button and you can see it goes up like that. This gives you all of this magnificent storage area below. The reason I'm a bit reticent to actually do that is I think there's any kids around and see me do it and then they start playing with it. If you start playing with this, moving it up and down, it's going to break. Right, these beds, they're only supposed to be used for about 2 minutes every 20 minutes. So anyway, so that's why I'm a bit reticent. Anyway, I'll take you down to the front where you can see that there is it looks the same as all the other vans. But that's great. I think you can get with the ramp, you can get a motorbike in the back. You can easily get the electric bikes in the e-bikes in the back. And anyways, a Davis 620. So you see, lengthwise beds. Well, you can see it's quite a lot of people here actually. This is a supposed to be 1.5 meters apart. Davis 590 view. The view is that it's got a tent in the roof, and the tent in the roof means you can see out of it. So it's got this sort of a window, and that's what they call a view. That was introduced for 2021, and if you ask me, that's the same as everybody else is doing. So seems a bit daft in my opinion, but calling it a view. Why don't you just call it a Davis 590 tent in roof? You could have called it a TIR.
Ja, ja, stimmt. Sehen Sie das? Ja, ja, von außen sind so eine.
Davis 591. So if you want to pack people in, you get double bunk beds, 4 people in a 6-meter campervan. I accept there's a demand for this, otherwise they wouldn't sell the things. I suppose it's not as bad as some vans. Today I filmed an 8 that 7 under 7 meters. Oops, sleeps 8 people. Anyway, you can see that in a different film. It's a Forster, same company, Trigano. Oh, we'll just have a quick walk around. What else we've got? I think that one there is my favourite there, but I'll see that in a different film. Oh, they also do these 4x4 things as well. So there's 4x4 zone here, and which was brought out for 2020. Oh. Good, so there you have it. Davis 592, the one I started off with. And if you found that of interest, then you might want to. Oh yeah, I think I'll finish with the Davis 600. In fact, found that of interest, then you might want to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf.